DJT stock analysis next week. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1 minute video till the end to find out. So as I'm looking at Trump Media stock, or Trump Media and Technology, sitting at $13.54. That's 7.8% down. And how does this look like? Where are we going? What's going on? First of all, it's a bearish market for sure. Like last week, only last week, we have gone down 24, just tad a bit lower, from 25% down for the whole week. And when I'm looking at it from a broader picture, it was great times when it was DWAC, if you remember, the OGs, when we were catching these, crazy. But since then, kind of died down. We even started breaking. This is the biggest slap in the face after we broke below 1432 since October 2023. But yeah, well, I guess we're just going to continue to double down on the bearish side. So how's this going to look like? Honestly, kind of sad. I don't even believe I'm talking like this. Obviously now, but this is how it's going to look like for me. I'm going to wait, but if the price starts breaking above 20 bucks, that's something for me that I'll take bullish. In the meantime, if the rules are met, I'm just going to continue to keep doubling down on this side. So if you want to learn the strategy that I'm using, click the first link in the description. All reviews are 5 stars, and I'll see you in the next one.